So we were able to make one parallelogram. Then we can start solving for the first diagonal by having this one. So you will have your D sub 1 here. So that is your first parallelogram. The next is you make parallel lines. So we have already these two vectors. So we can get D sub 1 and then to be incorporated here. You make another parallelogram, but one of the sides of the parallelogram will be your D sub 1. So how shall we do this? So we need to get this line now. This one, all we need is to get this line, inclination for this line. Okay, here we go. Then slide. And then we have the vertical line here. So you notice the next parallelogram, the next sides of the parallelogram there are 200. We have this side, D sub 1. Take note that this D sub 1 will have the same as this one. So you have noticed this is the tip of your D sub 1, so that must be the next line, which is to be drawn this way. So we just have to extend this line more so that we can see the intersection of these two lines. The free vector of D sub 1, then establish now the vertical line. Okay. So slide. So here we go. Okay. So we were able to make the second parallelogram. So if you try to see, okay, this is now your next. Take note, your first parallelogram is this one, this side, and this side. Okay, the second parallelogram is this one, same point, this one, and then this, and this one, then close it, go back here. That is your second parallelogram. And then you make the diagonal 2, denoted as D sub 2. So this is now your D sub 2 of your second parallelogram. The next, so see this figure now. Okay, So there are two parallelograms. The next is, since you have your D sub 2, this will become the next side of your third parallelogram. So we will try to have this by placing it here. So we will get the slope of the line now of this one, then have it slide, then place it here below the tip of 300 Newton. So we will do it now. Is it done? This one, slide. Do the sliding. So how shall we do this? Okay, we'll do this first. Downward 300. So this sub 1, this is vertically downward. So I think this is your D sub 2. Since this is 300 Newton, so this is just parallel, then have it drop. If this is your D sub 2, then have it drop along this way here. By how much? By 300.